Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 10, Subject Verb Agreement from the book English Grammar 5. We have subject verb agreement. In a sentence, a verb must agree with its subject. It is called subject verb agreement. तो जो सेंटेंस है उसमें जो वर्ब है उसके सब्जेक्ट के साथ हमेशा अग्री करनी चाहिए, इसी को हम सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट कहते हैं. Then we have know it. A singular noun takes a singular verb with it. A plural noun takes a plural verb with it. तो जो सिंगुलर नाउन होता है वो सिंगुलर वर्ब लेता है अपने साथ. सिमिलरली जो प्लूरल नाउन होता है वो प्लूरल वर्ब लेता है अपने साथ. Then a singular pronoun takes a singular verb with it. A plural pronoun takes a plural verb with it. ऐसे ही जो सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन होता है वो सिंगुलर वर्ब लेता है अपने साथ और जो प्लूरल प्रोनाउन होता है वो प्लूरल वर्ब लेता है अपने साथ. With the pronoun you, we always use a plural verb. हम you pronoun के साथ प्लूरल वर्ब यूज करते हैं always. Okay? Then some examples of subject verb agreement. Singular, plural. Okay. First, my pen is red. Now is. So pen is singular noun here. That's why we have used is, which is the singular verb. Okay. Then here, your pens are blue. Now pens. This is plural noun. That's why we have used are, which is plural verb. Okay. Then second, the girl was happy. Then the girls were happy. Third, an elephant has a short tail. Now elephants have short tails. Then fourth, the dog barks. Here the dog bark. Now here we have root form of the verb plus s. Why? Because this is the singular subject. Okay. And here we have the plural subject. That's why we don't use the s here. Okay. Some examples of subject verb agreement when the subject is a pronoun. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट के कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स जब जो सब्जेक्ट है वो प्रोनाउन है. फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट, देन वर्ब, अगेन सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब. विद आई वी यूज एम विच इज सिंगुलर. ओके. देन यू वी यूज आर विच इज सिंगुलर अगेन. देन ही स्लैश शी स्लैश इट वी यूज इज अगेन विच इज सिंगुलर. देन विद we use are, which is plural here. Then with you, again we use are, which is plural again. Then with they, we use are, which is plural. Okay. Then second, we have again subject and verb. With I, we use was, which is singular. Then with you, we use were, again which is singular. Then with he slash she slash it, we use was, which is singular. Okay. Then again we have subject and verb. We use we, verb we use were, which is plural. Then with you we use were, which is again plural. Then with they we use were, again which is plural. Then we have third, subject here, verb here. With I we use have, which is singular. Then with you we use have, which is plural. Then with they we use have, again which is plural. Then we have subject here and verb here. With we use have, which is plural. Then he slash she slash it, we use has, which is singular. Then fourth, we have I, which is the subject. We use do, which is singular. Then with you, we use do, again which is singular. Then with he slash she slash it, we use does, which is singular. Then we have subject and verb. With we use do, which is plural. With you, we use do, which is plural. Then with they, we use do, which is again plural. Then we have creative skill. Time to do. A, fill in the blanks with is, am or are. First, the stars dash twinkling in the sky. The answer is are. Because the subject is plural here. Then second, Ritu dash very fond of music. Answer is. Because Ritu is the singular subject here. Then third, we dash doing our homework. The answer is are. Then fourth, the boys dash swimming in the pool. The answer is are. Then fifth, the birds dash flying in the sky. Again, the answer is are. Then sixth, the house dash big. The answer is. Seventh, Nikhil and I dash brothers. Answer is are. Then eighth, I dash a student. Answer is am. We use am always with I. Okay. Ninth, you dash a good girl. Answer is are. Then 10th, Rohit dash a clever boy. Answer is. Then we have B, fill in the blanks with was or were. First, Neha dash feeding it. Now the answer is was. Was is used with singular subjects and were is used with plural subjects. Okay. Second, the horses dash running at a great speed. Answer is were. Third, the squirrel dash climbing a tree. Answer is was. Fourth, the farmers dash working in the field. The answer is were. Fifth, the soldiers dash brave. The answer is were. Then sixth, mother dash cooking dinner for us. The answer is was. Then we have seventh, the farmers dash tired. The answer is were. Then eighth, the train dash late yesterday. The answer is was. Then ninth, Amrish dash driving a car. The answer is was. Then 10th, he dash absent yesterday. The answer is was. C, fill in the blanks with has or have. Okay. First, you dash a nice apartment. Now the answer is have. Then second, a triangle dash 3 sides. Answer is has. Third, they dash an exam tomorrow. Answer is have. Fourth, a car dash 4 wheels. The answer is has. Fifth, Simran dash many friends. The answer is has. Then sixth, the birds dash colorful wings. The answer is have. Then seventh, an elephant dash a short tail. Answer is has. Then eighth, she dash a new bag. The answer is has. Then ninth, they dash a big house. The answer is have. Then 10th, my mother dash a red umbrella. The answer is has. Then we have review. In a sentence, a verb must agree with its subject. It is called subject-verb agreement. एक सेंटेंस में जो वर्ब है अपने सब्जेक्ट के साथ अग्री करनी चाहिए, उसी को हम सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट कहते हैं. A singular noun takes a singular verb with it. A plural noun takes a plural verb with it. जो singular noun होता है वो singular verb लेता है अपने साथ. Similarly, जो plural noun होता है वो plural verb लेते हैं अपने साथ. A singular pronoun takes a singular verb with it. A plural pronoun takes a plural verb with it. जो singular pronoun होते हैं वो singular verb लेते हैं अपने साथ. Similarly, जो plural pronoun होते हैं वो plural verb लेते हैं. With the pronoun you, we always use a plural verb. Pronoun you के साथ हम हमेशा plural verb use करते हैं. So, I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.